Welcome to today's discussion. Remote work has become the new normal nowadays for everyone out there, but the big question is it making people more isolated or productive? So today we have our guest Varnika Tyagi with us. She'll be sharing her insights and views on remote work. So hi Varnika, myself Nehal. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm also doing fine. So my first question to you is, what do you think? Does remote work make employees more productive or isolated?
Honestly speaking, I think it's both. Productivity has increased as people save time on commuting and can work in comfortable and flexible environment. But if you see at the same time, more people feel isolated because there are less human interaction, less interaction with their people, with the teammates, and less spontaneous collaboration.
Okay. So what challenges do you think people must be facing while doing remote work?
The biggest challenges they can be facing is communication. As you see, when we message someone, sometimes message get misunderstood, and the meetings, important meetings, feels less engaging and less interested. Also, they can't separate their personal and professional life, and there many burnouts can be happening.
So, do you think remote work affects mental health well-being of people doing remote work?
Yes, definitely. Because for some, it reduces stress, but because they can work in comfortable and flexible environment and they can isolate themselves. But on the other hand, if you see others, then some feel isolated because there is less human interaction, less social interaction, less interaction with the teammates, and this leads to anxiety and this leads to demotivate them. And it really happened on personal, it really depends on personality because how people perceive it. Like some people want to be isolated and work in their zone, and some people are social interacted, so they want to be
So basically, it
involved
depends
with,
on
yeah.
person to person.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, what do you think helps people feel connected while working remotely?
uh like people can virtually catch up, keep their cameras open while important meetings. They can frequently messages to their teammate and can interact with their teammates, and there are many collaboration tools through which they can simply check-ins and do messages and whatever sense for a teamwork they can do for using
So,
that
I'm
tools.
quite excited to know which work style do you prefer? Remote, hybrid, or office work?
Honestly speaking, I prefer hybrid. You get quite productive or of remote work plus the social connection of of the office. You can separate your personal and professional work. If you had some professional personal work, then you can do it. And if you have some professional work or company work which gives you many load or stress, then you can go to the company and you can ask
Yeah.
people to help you, and people are also helping you in remote work as you if you are more socially interacted with them. So I prefer hybrid work.
I totally agree with you. I can relate to it. So, I think hybrid work makes you more flexible
Yeah.
and helps you while you are doing remote work also.
Yeah, because it separate me from my personal and professional work.
Yeah, it totally helps. I agree with
Yeah.
you. So, thank you for your time. It was great discussing this with you. So, thank you.
Thank you.